Welcome to our inaugural series, Dr. Talks Percussion. We're here in Oahu, Hawaii. My name is Michael Carey with Fitness Evolution 808. We're going to talk about the use of a percussion massager for chronic issues that you may deal with or somebody that you know, a loved one, may deal with as well. We're going to be talking about the different accessory heads as well as how to use them on your body. You may have a different percussion device, but just try to use what you have available and get the same kind of effects that we're hoping to give you today. And Doc?
Aloha, my name is Dr. Kai Moriguara with Prime PT Wellness Clinic here in Kaneohe, Hawaii.
Okay, so first off, we're gonna start with the neck. So super common, we're on our phones, we're at work all day, so pretty much all of us are having at least stiffness in our neck, so working with our advanced model here.
And what head are you working with, Doc, on this one?
So we got our standard foam head, so nice little introduction, so at least got some padding.
Okay,
so even
and
if
that works good direct to skin, sometimes not as good on clothing.
Right along the neck here. So that's where the biggest benefit is our increased circulation and the promotion of the healing process. So literally melt away our stress through getting these tight death gripping muscles to loosen up. So that's where we want, because we have a lot of bones, and of course we don't want to pinch hair, but getting all of these tight muscles to loosen up feels good for everybody.
First in the neck, we have the trapezius. We're running along from the shoulder blade up to neck. We're also overlapping with the levator scapula, same thing from the top of the shoulder blade up to neck.